Hey guys, we're Sarah and Nick of Nestrs.
And welcome to the refresh that we did in our kitchen in only 2 days.
Yeah, because we had a tight timeline.
We did, and we had a tight budget as well.
So the tight timeline, tight budget, we headed to Lowe's.com to see everything they had in stock, and we got everything you see here in that shopping spree. So for this refresh, we got a gorgeous new fridge, a new range, a nice deep sink basin, a beautiful faucet, and decorative sheet metal that upgraded the base cabinet.
We also got a butcher block countertop and used the scrap from it to create the shelf above the refrigerator. The main light of the kitchen was replaced, as well as the light above the sink. And we also experimented with this cool new backsplash that is a peel and stick that has this 3D quality to it and really turned out great.
So that's it. We really hope you enjoyed the tour of our refreshed kitchen. We think she looks pretty good.
Yeah, for other great how-to Lowe's videos, go ahead and click their icon. And for any information for all the products we used here, check them out below.
And if you want to follow us on Instagram, we're at Nestrs. We're always doing random, crazy, weird shenanigans. But until next time, I'm Sarah.
I'm Nick.
Thanks for stopping by.
See you guys later.